We're gonna talk about adding fractions that have same denominators. Let's start with adding two fractions that have same denominators. What is the sum of 1/5 plus 2/5? The two fractions have the same denominator 5, so we write 5 at the denominator. There is a plus between the fractions, so we add the numerators. 1 plus 2 is 3, so 1/5 plus 2/5 is 3/5. Let's solve another example. What is the sum of 2/3 plus 1/3? The fraction have the same denominator 3, so we write 3 at the denominator. And there is a plus between the fraction, so we add the numerators. 2 plus 1 is 3. We write 3 at the numerator. We should simply 3/3. 3 divided on 3 is 1. So the simplest sum of 2/3 plus 1/3 is 1. What is the sum of 1/4 plus 1/4? The fractions have the same denominator 4. We write 4 at the denominator. Then we add the numerators. 1 plus 1 is 2. We test if the numerator and the denominator can be divisible on the same number such as 2. 2 is divisible by 2 because 2 divided on 2 is 1. And 4 is divisible by 2 because 4 divided on 2 is 2. So we divide the numerator and the denominator on 2. 2 divided on 2 is 1, and 4 divided on 2 is 2. So the simplest sum of 4th and 4th is half. Let's add 3 fractions. What is the sum of 5/11 plus 2/11 plus 3/11? The 3 fractions have the same denominator 11, so we write 11 at the denominator. There is a plus between the fractions, so we add the numerators. 5 plus 2 plus 3. 5 plus 2 is 7, and 7 plus 3 is 10, so we write 10 at the numerator. So 5/11 plus 2/11 plus 3/11 is 10/11. What is the sum of 4/8 plus 3/8 plus 1/8? The fraction have the same denominator 8, so we write 8 at the denominator. And we add the numerators. 4 plus 3 plus 1. 4 plus 3 is 7, and 7 plus 1 is 8. We should simply 8/8. 8 divided on 8 is 1. So the simplest sum of 4/8 plus 3/8 plus 1/8 is 1. The last example, what is the sum of 1/5 plus 2/5 plus 4/5? The fractions have the same denominator 5, so we write 5 at the denominator. Then we add the numerators. 1 plus 2 plus 4. 1 plus 2 is 3, and 3 plus 4 is 7. So 1/5 plus 2/5 plus 4/5 is 7/5. We notice the numerator 7 is greater than the denominator 5, so we should simply use this improper fraction. We keep 5 in the denominator and divide. 7 divided on 5, the nearest number is 1. Because 1 times 5 is 5, we write 1 as alone as whole number. If we take 5 from 7, the remainder will be 2, so we write 2 at the numerator. Therefore, the sum of 1/5 plus 2/5 plus 4/5 is 1 and 2/5. I hope this lesson is useful to you, and thank you for watching.